Welcome to As the Cell Turns and Functions. I'm known around the cell as DNA, or deoxyribonucleic acid. I'm usually found in the chromosomes of the nucleus. I have two main jobs. One, I form specific RNA, or ribonucleic acid, and two, I create exact replicas of myself. I do this by unzipping and spreading apart of DNA molecules. Not a lot of people realize I am, but I'm the most important part of the cell. I'm the basis of heredity and the key to evolution. But enough about me, let's see what's happening with Irene the nucleus.
Hi, I'm the nucleus, the brain and control center of the cell. Inside of me, I contain nucleic acids. These are large, complex molecules that store information to help a cell make the substances it needs. There are two nucleic acids found in me, DNA and RNA. DNA stores the information needed to build the protein to repair the cell. RNA reads the DNA's messages and guides the protein-making process. Well, enough about me. Let's talk about someone else. This is my nucleolus. Plays an important role in giving out RNA to the ribosomes. When the ribosomes get the RNA, they use it to make proteins for the rest of the cell.
Now that we have RNA, we can make protein for the rest of the cell. Cut.
A little gray today? Is your beautiful green chlorophyll sunlight gone? If so, it sounds like you could use some Greenomatic. Greenomatic is the only bath gel that actually helps your green chlorophyll. In the matter of minutes, turning those hideous gray spots into that lustrous green coloring of your youth. Remember, use only as directed 3 times a day. Only $2.99.
Oh, there's chloroplast and mitochondria. Let's go see what they're up to. Chloroplast contains a green pigment called chlorophyll. She uses sunlight and turns it into energy. Chloroplasts are only found in plant cells. Mitochondria supplies energy for the cell. She also breaks down simple food substances like sugar. To do this, she uses up a large amount of energy.
Now that's their scientific cells. If you look at them, you can see that they're very jealous of each other. These two, chloroplasts and mitochondria, appear in a plant cell together, and each one of them thinks that she is better than the other one and more important. But really, chloroplasts make glucose and mitochondria heat up the glucose and produce ATP, so they're very important, each of them in their own right. Now, let's see how they react as carry chloroplast in school with Mickey mitochondria.
It's a good thing school's over. I kind of survived another minute.
Oh, sure. Mickey Athlete of the Year. Why do you think they call you Mighty Mitochondria?
I can't help it. I work hard to do the best I can do. Besides, I give everyone else my energy. I'm burnt out. And you were homecoming queen.
Well,
Hello?
Hi, this is Mickey. Is Carrie there?
Just one moment, please.
hello?
Carrie, this is Mickey. You need to come over right away. We're always fighting. We just have to talk.
Okay, fine. I'll be right over.
Great. Oh. Come on in.
It's just been having to talk. I don't have anything to say.
Well, I just wanted to apologize for earlier today.
Well, you could have told me that over the phone, but I guess if you had to apologize over the phone every time you hurt someone, you would run up a pretty big phone bill.
Me?
Hello, I'm back again to introduce our friendly vacuoles.
The water-filled vacuoles in most cells exert pressure against the cell wall.
That helps maintain the shape of softer parts and keep young stems in an erect position.
In the stems of plants, vacuoles exert enough pressure to hold the plant erect.
The watery vacuoles are important to the continued uptake of water.
We also store protein.
The cell begins to divide. The nucleolus and nuclear membranes disappear. Each chromosome thickens and begins to separate into two new chromosomes as it moves toward the center of the cell. The new DNA was synthesized during interphase. The centromeres line up and divide. Now the new chromosomes move toward opposite poles and new nuclei begin to form. A cell wall develops down the center, producing two new cells.
Chromosomes carry the genetic code. There must be an exact copy of the genetic code in each cell for the chromosomes to split into two new cells during mitosis.
This is Matt Bile reporting for GCCN. I'm reporting at Highway ER, and there's a threat of a virus attacking the cell.
Music?
Hello, I'm a virus. I hope that the cell and everybody in the organelles knows that I can't reproduce on my own and that I need another cell. I hope that they do know that I'm really, really powerful and that it's going to need a lot to take over me. I'm so powerful, in fact, that I can be frozen for years and still survive. I need the ribosomes to make my protein coat. I need mitochondria to make me some ATP. And I need the cell nucleus to make me some DNA for my hereditary core. Cell nucleus, DNA and chromosomes. I need DNA. I don't need your DNA. I need my DNA now.
If we have to make this cell fill up with viruses, then we are doomed.
I'm going to need ATP, and I need a lot of it right now.
More work.
I'm going to need my protein coat, and I'm going to need it now.
Does it have to be black like that?
Yes!
Tune in tomorrow for the next heart-stopping episode of As the Cell Turns and Functions.
Another day in a typical gym. Mitochondria. It keeps going and going and going. Mitochondria is the powerhouse of the cell. It uses glucose and oxygen to create energy stored in ATP. Without mitochondria, the cell would be powerless.
Welcome to Cell Feud, produced by Television. Here's your host, Nikki Byrne. Hello, I'm your host, Nikki B. And with us today, from the leaf of a century plant, the Plant Cell Team! And from the body of Jaws the Shark, the Animal Cell Team! Let's go meet our contestants.
Hi, Nikki. I'm the nucleus, and I direct all activities of the plant cell.
Nice to meet you.
Hi, Nikki. I'm the vacuole. I store things for the plant cell such as water, food, and enzymes.
Nice to meet you.
Hi, Nikki. I'm the cell wall, or the outermost layer of the cell. I'm mainly composed of cellulose.
Nice to meet you.
Hi, Nikki. I'm a Golgi apparatus. I package proteins for the cell.
Nice to meet you.
Hi, Nikki. I'm the chloroplast. I contain chlorophyll and I make food for the plant.
Nice to meet you.
Hello, Nikki. I'm the nucleus and I direct all traffic and work in the cell.
Nice to meet you, nucleus.
Hi, Nikki. I'm the ribosome. I'm the construction worker of the cell. I build and repair proteins.
Nice to meet you.
Hi. I'm the endoplasmic reticulum, and I transport things all over the cell.
Very nice to meet you.
Hi, Nikki. I'm the lysosome and I'm the digestive system of the cell.
Nice to meet you.
Hi, Nikki. I'm the mitochondria. I give energy to the cell.
Let's give a round of applause for all our contestants. Question number 1. What is used for building and repairing cells?
Protein.
For 5 points, proteins. Question number 2. What is the ability of a cell to maintain a stable internal environment?
Homeostasis.
For another 5 points, homeostasis. Question number 3. Attached to the walls of the endoplasmic reticulum are what?
Ribosome.
For another 5 points, ribosomes. Question number 4. Name the organelle that supplies most of the plant's energy.
Mitochondria.
For 5 points, mitochondria. Question number 5. What organelle is involved in digestion?
Lysosome.
For another 5 points, lysosome. Question number 6. Name the organelle structure that contains chlorophyll.
Me, the chloroplast.
For another 5 points for the plant cell, chloroplast. Question number 7. What is the first step in mitosis?
Prophase.
For 5 points for the animal team, prophase. Question number 8. What kind of cell contains a cell wall?
Plant cell.
For 5 points, plant cell. You guys should have known that one. Question number 9. What is the nucleolus made up of?
RNA.
For 5 points for the animal cell team, RNA. Question number 10. Which scientist gave the name cells to cells?
Robert Hooke.
5 points for the animal cell team. Robert Hooke. Question number 11. Is the substance protoplasm made up of living or non-living material?
Living.
For 5 points, living! Can the plant cells do it? Can they get this last question to tie the animal cells? You might not know. Are you ready? Yeah! Are you ready?
Yeah!
Question number 12. What is the cell wall made of?
Over here.
Cellulose! Cellulose! And the game is tied! Woo! 30 for the plants, 30 for the animals! And because of this tie, we have decided to give both teams the prizes. For the animal cells, they have earned a 1-day pass to the zoo! And for the plant cell team, they have earned a one-day ticket to the Botanical Gardens. We'll be back right after these messages.
Cell-Feud, would you like to play? If so, call 1-800-CELL-FEUD.
Endoplasmic reticulum partial service. We deliver all over the cell in 3 days. Your ribosomes back, guaranteed.
ERPS, we deliver for you.
Now for another episode of General Cell Hospital.
Each patient at General Cell Hospital is a cell with a missing organelle. Practice your own diagnostic skill. Meet the challenge. Be your own cell doctor. See if you can name the missing organelle in each cell patient.
Hi, how may I help you? Nurse RNA, what's wrong with the patient?
We have a sick cell. I think she's missing her mitochondria.
I'm slow, run down, and I can hardly.
This is a Newsflash 57. Free radicals have just been identified by scientists as a problem causing one of the world's greatest diseases. Free radicals are oxygen-rich molecules with one extra electron that connect themselves to DNA, forming lumps caused by overlapping molecules. Scientists believe that this pairing process may cause cancer. There is no way to prevent this attraction, but scientists do have drugs and medicines that slow down the free radicals. This is a Newsflash 57.
And now back to General Cell Hospital.
What happened? You fainted. Don't worry, the doctor will be in soon.
Hello, Ann. My name is Dr. Superwood. What's wrong?
I'm slow and run down. The nurse thinks I am missing my mitochondria.
Let me scan you. Yes, it's definitely your mitochondria. Nurse RNA, do you have the medicine?
Here's the ATP.
You must take one of these once a week. Or once a day for a week.
I feel better already. Thank you, Dr. Superwood.
And if you have any extra pain, you can take these.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Welcome to the maternity mitosis ward. How may I help you?
I want to have children, but I can't divide. I feel like I'm missing something.
Have you had an organelle checkup lately?
No.
Come with me to the celery room. This is Cell. Meet our technician, Mike. When you're done, come to surgery.
Okay.
Mrs. A-Cell, you're missing your centrioles and you need cell surgery.
Oh, no.
Here at General Cell Hospital, we have the latest technology for cell diagnosis and surgery. We use the cell ray machine that you just saw to scan for diagnosis. Centrioles, that's the problem. Oh, they have something to do with mitosis. That's why we have to go in and surgically open a cell and add centrioles with the laser. Are you ready, Mrs. Cell?
Yes.
Thank you, but how does cell division work?
These are the 5 stages you will soon be going through. Mitosis. First stage, interphase. Chromosomes start to divide. And during prophase, spindle fibers form. During metaphase, chromosomes line up. In anaphase, the chromosomes start to split apart. In the last stage, telophase, the 2 new cells are formed. What you had missing were these. And so the surgery helped that.
Hi, Mommy!
Oh my gosh, you just divided.
I had 10 mitochondria. Where did the other 2 go?
Excuse me, ma'am, are these what you're looking for? I found these 2 on the side, these 2 mitochondrions and this piece of endoplasmic reticulum on the sidewalk outside. This looks serious, ma'am. I'm taking you to the hospital.
I keep losing my organelles. So far, I've lost 2 mitochondria, 25 ribosomes, and a piece of endoplasmic reticulum. I feel like I'm falling apart.
No wonder. You've lost a large section of your cell membrane. Here, this should help you.
Thank you.
Doctor, examine this patient. He's very sick.
No.
Here,
No.
let me look at you. Oh my, no nucleolus. No nucleolus? That nucleolus, nucleolus makes RNA. The RNA needs the ribosomes to make protein. Without protein, they can't protect the mitochondria, and its inside enzymes won't work. And the protein is also in the cell membrane. Without the cell membrane, the cell will die.
Exactly, now put him to sleep. Let me inject him. We did it. We saved the nucleolus. Now the nucleolus can save the cell.
Thank you, doctors. Thank you.
Tune in next week to find out if Joe makes it or not, because his nucleus is failing him.
I'm so tired, so I need some energy.
Did I hear you need energy? Well, I've got a thing for you, packaged ATP. Here, try some. It works, it works.
Packaged ATP. Go out and buy yours today. Welcome to the Oprah Protoplasmic Show. Today's theme is cells. Cells are the basic unit of structure and function of all living organisms. Living organisms include pine trees, bacteria, even us. We will have 5 organelle guests today and 1 very controversial virus, which, as you know, frequently causes diseases. I have to cut for a news flash.
We interrupt this program for a special news bulletin of GCCN.
This is a special report on the virus war. Right here, the virus is coming down on the cell. The virus attaches itself to the cell. It drills a hole into the cell wall. Right here, it releases its nucleic acid into the cell. The nucleic acids make all the organelles in the cell produce other viruses instead of protein and stuff for the cell. As you can see right here, they're making the viruses and stuff like that. And right here, the cell is dead because of viruses. We'll keep you updated on the virus war.
Please welcome my first guest. Who are you and what do you do?
I'm the endoplasmic reticulum, and I carry food substances throughout the cell.
Okay. Please give a big round of applause for my second guest. Who are you and what do you do?
I'm the mitochondria, and I supply most of the energy for the cell.
Okay. You have a seat. Thank you. Please give it up for my third guest. Who are you and what do you do?
I am a chromosome, and chromosomes control the activity of the cell.
Thank you. You can have a seat now. My fourth guest. Who are you and what do you do?
I'm the vacuum, and I store food, water, and waste for the cell.
Please welcome my fifth guest.
I'm a ribosome, and I make protein for the cell.
Please give another big round of applause for the for my last guest. Who are you and what do you do?
I'm the virus and I take over cells. Doctors say you should wash your hands so you don't get sick, but I don't think you should because then I can get inside you and start doing my job.
Any questions? Yes?
I just want to say I love your show and I watch it every day, and I have a question for the mitochondria. What's broken down in the mitochondria?
Good question.
Simple food substances such as sugar that are broken down into water and carbon dioxide gas, and ATP.
Excuse me? Yes.
I have a question for the ribosome, and it is, when a virus attacks, do you supply protein for the virus, or do you make it, or do you just keep making it for yourself?
I didn't think of that question.
Ribosomes make a new protein coat.
Yes?
I have a question for the virus. What happens when the virus takes over the cell?
The virus lets its DNA into the cell, and the cell's ribosomes make a new protein coat, and DNA is duplicated.
Any more questions? Yes?
I have a question for the endoplasmic reticulum. How do you transport the cell, or the protein?
The endoplasmic reticulum moves stuff throughout the cell because the cytoplasm is always moving. And the cytoplasm moves the stuff through the endoplasmic reticulum. This is the cell membrane. These are food particles. The endoplasmic reticulum picks up these food particles and transports them to different parts of the cell that needs them. This is the nucleus. And this is the nuclear membrane, and these are nuclear pores. DNA inside the nucleus is read by RNA, which goes through the endoplasmic reticulum to the ribosomes, which make the protein. These are mitochondria. Mitochondria produce ATP molecules that supply the energy for the cell. This is the endoplasmic reticulum, and these are ribosomes. Ribosomes produce protein and drop them inside the endoplasmic reticulum. This is the Golgi apparatus. It packages proteins, and it sometimes replaces the endoplasmic reticulum and the ribosomes inside cells. This is a vacuole.
Yes?
I have a question for the vacuole. Which has a larger vacuole, the plant or the animal cell?
Okay, the plant cell has a bigger vacuole.
Yes?
How many chromosomes are in a human cell?
8 chromosomes, 23 pairs of chromosomes, and this is one.
Any more questions? You have a question?
What are chromosomes made of?
Chromosomes are made of DNA.
Question?
This is for the vacuole. What's stored in the vacuole?
I store food, waste, and water and I am the vacuole.
For mitochondria, how do you supply most of the energy for the cell?
I'm referred to as the powerhouse of the cell.
Any more?
This for the ribosomes. How does the ribosomes help the cell?
I make proteins for the cell.
Any more questions?
Hey.
We think the mitochondria is really strong and handsome. Can we have his phone number?
We'll get it to you after the show.
Wow, I know more about the sun now than I ever did before. How about you guys? Thanks you guys so much for coming.
While in Cell City, our guests stay at the Celladay Inn. They are flown in for the show by Global Cell Airways.
Is your energy running down mitochondria? If it is, try this new cream, MitoCream. As soon as it soaks in, energy starts pumping into you. To get this cream, call 1-800-MitoCream.
Did you know that there are roughly 100 trillion cells in a human body?
No, that's very interesting.
Did you know that DNA has been found in every living organism on the earth?
Oh my God.
I know.
Lysosomes in tadpoles' tails secrete enzymes to digest the entire tail of the tadpole.
That must hurt.
Really?
Humans have about 100,000 genes arranged on 23 pairs of chromosomes.
Jeez, I don't even have that much in my wardrobe.
Gene therapy, that's just out of today's paper. Gene therapy has clear implications for the treatment of hemophilia just by inserting new gene into the muscle cell.
Plant cells have rich protection cell walls and green chloroplast for making food. An animal cell has neither.
Wow, I know that.
Dude.
Animal cells have centrioles to aid in mitosis and lysosomes to digest larger molecules.
This has been another fantastic facts brought to you by Cellco.
Yes.
Cut.
Here we come, walking down the street. We get the funniest looks from everyone we meet. Hey, we're the monkeys, and people say we monkey around, but we're too busy singing to put anybody down. We go where we want to, do what we like to do. We don't have time to get restless. There's always something new. Hey, we're the monkeys, and people say we monkey around. We're too busy singing to put anybody down. We're just trying to be friendly. Come and watch us sing and play. We're the young generation, and we've got something to say. Anytime or anywhere, just look over your shoulder. Guess who'll be standing there? Hey, hey, we're the monkeys, and people say we monkey around. But we're too busy singing to put anybody down. People say we monkey around, but we're too busy singing to put anybody down. We're just trying to be friendly. Come and watch, sing and play. We're the young generation, and we've got something to say. Hey, we're the monkeys. Hey, we're the monkeys. Love was only true in fairy tales, and for someone else, but not for me. Our love was out to get me. That's the way it seemed. Disappointment haunted all my dreams. Then I saw her face. Now I'm a believer. Not a trace of doubt in my mind. I'm in love. I'm a believer. I couldn't leave her if I tried. I thought love was more or less a given thing. Seems the more I gave, the less I got. What's the use in trying? And all you get is pain. When I needed sunshine, I got rain. Oh, then I saw her face. Now I'm a believer. Not a trace of doubt in my mind. I'm in love. I'm a believer. I couldn't leave her if I tried. That's the way it seemed. Disappointment haunted all my dreams. Oh, then I saw her face. Now I'm a believer. Not a trace of doubt in my mind. I'm in love. I'm a believer. I couldn't leave her if I tried. Yes, I saw her face. Now I'm a believer. I'm not a trace of doubt in my mind. Said I'm a believer, yeah, 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 yeah. Said I'm a believer, yeah, I'm a believer. I'm a believer, yeah, I'm a believer.
Oh, I could hide neath the wing of the bluebird as she sings. The 6 o'clock alarm would never ring, but it rings and I rise, wipe the sleep out of my eyes. My shaven razor's cold and it stings. this need. Now you know how happy I can be. Oh, and our good time starts and ends without a dollar one to spend. But how much, baby, do we really need? Cheer up, sleepy Jean. Oh, what can it mean to a daydream believer and a homecoming queen? Cheer up, sleepy Jean. Oh, what can it mean to a daydream believer and a homecoming queen? Cheer up, sleepy Jean. Oh, what can it mean to a daydream believer and a homecoming queen? Cheer up, sleepy Jean. Oh, what can it mean to a daydream believer and a homecoming queen? Cheer up, sleepy Jean. Oh, what can it mean to a daydream believer
It's the virus. He's here. This is a state of emergency. People, go to your jobs. Go back. This is a state of emergency. Please report to your jobs until told otherwise.
Oh, I am a virus.
Oh, shoot.
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Cell Feud.
Hello, and welcome to Cell Feud, produced by Television. Hello, this is Nikki Bergeron, and with us today we have, from the leaf of a century plant, the plant cells. And from the body of... Yeah! Welcome to Cell Feud, produced by Television. Here's your host, Nikki Bergeron. Wait. Hello, I'm Nikki Bergeron. And with us today, from the leaf of a century plant, here are the plant cell team! And by Jaws the shark, here are the animal cell team!
partial service. We deliver all over the cell within 3 days, or your endoplasmic or your ribosomes back guaranteed. Plasmic reticular partial service. We deliver all over the cell within 3 days, or your ribosomes back guaranteed.
ERPS, we deliver for you.
I'm not gonna be able to slide over though.
MacGyver, never leave home without duct tape.
Okay, now you just, okay, this box is supposed to move, but somebody can stay off stage and pull the box as you move along in it.
Do we have any string? Here, Kyle, you need to get on this.
It goes in the look, see?
2, 3. ERPS, we deliver for you.
Yes, they are mine. I just haven't been the same since my cell membrane ran away.
Well, I gotta go. If I find any more, or I run into your membrane, I'll bring them back and I'll explain your problems to your membrane.
Oh, thank you, officer. Any word on my membrane?
No. Then I leave. Cut.
Quiet on the set.
Quiet.
Don't rattle. 5, 4, 3, 2.
I knew I had 10 mitochondria.
Where did the other 2 go?
Excuse me, ma'am. Are these what you're looking for? I found these 2 mitochondria in this piece of endoplasmic reticulum on the sidewalk outside. This looks serious, ma'am. I'm taking you to the hospital.
I keep losing my organelles. So far I've lost...
No, we don't. Yes, you do. Yes, you do.
Oh.
You cut because that's what you tell the doctor.
Oh, and then Courtney...
Okay.
When he says, and now it's time for the Oprah Protoplasmic Show, music Oprah.
Why would you want to have music Oprah on this?
No, the music comes in and she walks.
Okay.
All right. And Oprah face the...
Oprah Protoplasmic Free Show, and here's the star of our show, Oprah Protoplasmic.
Show. We're going to be talking about cells, and here are my guests. The virus, mitochondria, the vacuole, ribosome, and chromosome. Okay. Today on the Oprah Protoplasmic Show, we are going to be talking about cell organelles, which means the part of the cell. I just got a new flag. I got to cut.
Okay, we got to do a fast cleanup. Now, all the cell material that you see, chairs back into the room. Back to the room. Chairs.
Wait a minute, I gotta get out first, guys.
Everybody, put the chairs in order. We need all hands. Everybody's gotta be on service. Setting up the chairs for band. Okay?
Don't worry about the chairs, just don't worry about it. The kids can set that up. No, the kids can do that. Just help them get the equipment out. Yeah.
Okay.